Welcome to Top 5 Best Buying Reviews. The Best Wall Whiteboard is probably one of the most versatile tools you can add to your home or office, transforming any blank wall into a dynamic space for brainstorming, planning, or simply leaving notes for loved ones. Imagine effortlessly jotting down ideas, mapping out projects, or creating a fun, interactive surface for kids, all while keeping your space organized and clutter-free. This isn't just a writing surface, it's a canvas for your productivity and creativity, designed to seamlessly integrate into your daily life and elevate how you communicate and manage tasks. Number 5. VIZ-PRO Magnetic Whiteboard 48 by 36 inches. Experience a remarkably smooth writing surface that's a breeze to wipe clean. This magnetic board ensures every stroke is effortless and leaves no trace behind. Crafted with a specially lacquered, anti-scratch surface and a durable aluminum frame, this board is designed for longevity. It comes with everything you need for easy setup. Mount it horizontally or vertically to perfectly suit your space and requirements. Its classic design seamlessly blends with any decor. Ideal for a multitude of environments, from homes and schools to offices and classrooms. It's perfect for everything from learning and presentations to jotting down notes. Reduce paper waste with this reusable writing surface. It's an excellent tool for education, planning, and everyday tasks. Remember to peel off the protective film before your first use. Should you have any questions, our support team is readily available to assist you. What we like. This board offers a smooth and durable writing surface that's easy to wipe clean. Its magnetic feature adds convenience for displaying notes or schedules. If you need a versatile option for home, school, or office that can be mounted horizontally or vertically, this is a great choice. What people say. The board is very smooth and easy to write on, and the markers erase cleanly without leaving any residue. It comes with all the necessary mounting hardware, making installation a breeze. The magnetic surface is strong and holds up various notes and pictures securely. Number 4. Lockways Magnetic Dry Erase Board 36 by 24 inch. Experience a premium writing surface that's perfect for any marker. Enjoy ultra-clean wipe-offs, ensuring your thoughts are always clear. It's designed for long-lasting performance, guaranteed for up to 5 years. This board is constructed to withstand daily use without warping or creasing. Its durable aluminum frame and rounded corners ensure it stays looking great for years. Plus, the convenient marker tray keeps your essentials within reach. Get started right away with everything included in the box. You'll receive the board, a dry erase marker, and 2 magnets. It's the perfect all-in-one solution for your office, home, or school. Install it your way, whether vertically or horizontally. The included kits make mounting secure and hassle-free. You can easily adapt it to fit your space and needs. We stand behind our product with excellent customer service. If you have any questions, we're here to help and will provide a satisfactory solution within 12 hours. Ideal for offices, homes, universities, and dormitories. Its versatile design makes it a valuable addition to any environment where ideas need to be captured and shared. What we like. Experience excellent writing and dry erase performance with a surface guaranteed for 5 years. It's built with sturdy, durable construction that won't warp or bubble. If you're looking for a reliable, long-lasting whiteboard for heavy usage in an office or university setting, this one comes with everything you need to get started. What people say. The board is very smooth and easy to write on, and the markers erase cleanly without leaving any residue. It comes with all the necessary mounting hardware, making installation a breeze. The magnetic surface is strong enough to hold multiple sheets of paper and even light tools. Number 3. VIZ-PRO Magnetic Dry Erase Whiteboard 36 by 24 Black. Introducing the VIZ-PRO Magnetic Dry Erase Whiteboard, a versatile tool for your home, office, or classroom. Its smooth writing surface makes it perfect for a variety of uses. Crafted with a durable, anti-scratch black aluminum frame and a smooth magnetic writing surface, this board is built to last. The included detachable pen tray keeps your writing essentials organized. Easily mounted horizontally or vertically to perfectly suit your space and needs. This flexibility ensures it fits seamlessly into any environment. This whiteboard is an excellent choice for schools, offices, kitchens, and dorms. Use it for presentations, learning, grocery lists, and much more, reducing paper waste. Your purchase includes the magnetic whiteboard, fixing kits for easy installation, and a convenient pen tray. Everything you need to get started is right here. We are here to help with any questions you may have about your new whiteboard. Please feel free to contact us for assistance. What we like. This whiteboard features a sleek black aluminum frame and a smooth, durable magnetic writing surface. It's designed for easy dry wiping and versatile installation, fitting seamlessly into any decor. If you prefer a modern aesthetic and need a reliable board for school or home, this option provides both style and functionality. What people say. The board is very smooth and easy to write on and erase. It comes with all the necessary mounting hardware and instructions, making installation a breeze. The magnetic surface is strong and holds my notes and pictures securely. Number 2. Large dry erase whiteboard paper roll. Tired of bulky, expensive whiteboards that leave ghost marks? Discover a large, space-saving alternative that offers a superior writing experience. Our premium dry erase surface ensures easy cleaning, even after 2 months. The strong adhesive backing keeps it securely in place, and it removes cleanly when needed. Applying this large whiteboard is a breeze, especially with a partner. Simply peel, stick, and smooth out any air bubbles for a seamless finish. Use it as a traditional whiteboard, a projector screen, or cut it down for smaller surfaces. It's perfect for offices, classrooms, and even personal study spaces. This comes with everything you need, including 6 high-quality markers, cleaning cloths, and hooks. You can start brainstorming and presenting right away. What we like. This is a large, peel-and-stick whiteboard paper that offers a superior alternative to traditional boards. Its surface is designed to be residue-free even after 2 months of use. If you need a space-saving, easy-to-apply solution for brainstorming or presentations, and want a surface that stays clean, this roll is an excellent option. What people say. The board is very smooth and easy to write on, and the markers erase cleanly without leaving any ghosting. It comes with all the necessary mounting hardware, making installation a breeze. The magnetic surface is strong and holds paper securely. The sleek, minimalist design looks great in my office and doesn't take up too much space. Number 1. Kedudes Magnetic 8.5-foot x11 Small Dry Erase Whiteboard. Introducing the Kedudes Magnetic Whiteboard, your perfect solution for organized notes and reminders. Its compact design fits anywhere, keeping your thoughts visible. Measuring 8.5 by 11 inches, this board is perfectly sized for tight spaces. It's large enough for clear writing, ensuring your messages are always seen. This set comes with 6 magnetic dry erase markers in assorted colors. Each marker features a built-in eraser for quick and easy corrections. Designed for repeated use, this erasable board resists staining and ghosting. It's ideal for daily tasks and interactive learning. Customize its placement with 2 convenient mounting options. It includes magnetic strips and double-sided tape for effortless installation. What we like. This compact, magnetic whiteboard is perfect for small spaces like refrigerators or lockers. It comes with 6 colorful markers, each with a built-in eraser for quick corrections. If you're looking for a convenient way to jot down notes, reminders, or grocery lists without taking up much space, this small board is ideal. What people say. The whiteboard is very smooth and easy to write on. It comes with all the necessary mounting hardware, making installation a breeze. The magnetic surface is strong and holds my notes and pictures securely. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.